Yeah, dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. Quiet. It's getting late.
Be quiet.
He is saying be quiet, isn't he? Rest his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night.
Can you look at that one?
Yeah. Can you say shh? Good night, dump truck. Good night.
Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night.
That's right. Can you say that, Nathan?
Yeah.
Okay. Pushing with his mighty blade, Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. That's right. Those smoke from his smokestack. Now, no one's as tough as he and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. Right? He's a bulldozer. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track.
Good night, bulldozer. Good night.
That's right. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt and sand, excavator.
Excavator.
Yeah, shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arrgh, but now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Right?
Hi.
All right.
Excavator.
Excavator, that's right. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. Can you do that? Say shh. Good night, excavator. Good night.
Good night, excavator. Good night.
Very good. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day. I know. You are sleepy? Okay. It's almost over. Another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine. Stop your tracks. Relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream.